Hey guys, so I'm back. So today we're going to be making a pretty simple recipe. It's banana chocolate chip muffins, and yeah, I just chose this basically because it looked really good and it looked really simple, so this is a great recipe for beginners. So yeah, let's get started. So the ingredients you'll need to make this recipe is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 large or 3 medium-sized ripe bananas mashed, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of 2% milk, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then I also have these really cute pink polka dot cupcake holders that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and I just thought this was like really cute and like Valentine's Day themed. So first, just take your melted butter, and I'm just pouring this into a large mixing bowl, and I'm using my stand mixer with the whisk attachment. And then just add the sugar, baking powder, salt, the bananas, the egg, vanilla, and the milk. And then just mix that all together until it's all combined. So now that I have all those ingredients mixed together, I'm just going to now add the flour and the chocolate chips. And then I'm just going to take a wooden spoon and just gently mix that together, and you don't want to overmix it, so just mix it until it's just combined. So I just put my batter into the cupcake tray, and this makes about 13 muffins. Before you put these in the oven, you want to take some extra chocolate chips and then just sprinkle them on top of each muffin. And then once you've covered them all with chocolate chips, you can preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to bake them for 5 minutes, and then reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for an extra 20 minutes. Or if you stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean, then that's how you know it's ready. So here we have the beautiful finished banana chocolate chip muffins, and they smell so good, and I tried one and it tasted amazing. I love this recipe, and it was just so simple to make, so you guys should definitely try this out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what you want to see me bake next. And my social medias are always in the description, so go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!